control procurement process ensures that both the seller and buyer are performing the task assigned to them. They both are actually making sure that they are delivering their commitment. Both the buyer and seller needs to administer the procurement contract for the similar purpose. The buyer has to make sure the deliverables are in the shape and the value and the objective, and the seller has to make sure that the deliverable is in the shape and that has been asked, so that the financial transaction can happen. Because of the legal aspect, many organizations treat contract administration as an organization function that is separate from the project. And it usually happens. I have seen, and even in my current organization and other organizations where I have worked, contract department is an independent department, and you actually just send them and they administer the contract. The all what it comes to you is the work done report. Say yes, the supplier has submitted the work done, you sign the work done, and they handle the payment structure and they handle it. So the process is collection of data for establishment of measurable procurement performance indicators. So yes, the performance is happening, deliverables are happening, the KPIs are in time, refinement of procurement plans and schedules, because obviously the way your schedule will have a forecast and unvalue analysis, you have to do the same variance analysis for them, and you have to adjust it, because if you are getting late, they can be delayed. So you have to give them the same kind of a space that you are in to make sure that the project is being delivered. Preparation of periodic reports to the organization, monitoring and procurement environment, so the implementation can be facilitated or adjustments can be made on the request or on the identification of the changes. Control procurement has a financial aspect. They will be paid, so you have to make sure whatever you are paying is based on the work done or based on whatever the agreement you have made as part of this contract. Maybe you have agreed periodic payments. It's not about the work done. Maybe your payments is dependent on the work done. Then you will say we will pay in the 60 days after the work done, or it is a back-to-back payment. So whatever be the conditions, the payment will be part of your control procurement. The quality of the control, including the independence and credibility of procurement audits. The way you are doing your audit needs to be done. The way you need to do the quality, you have to make sure you make the quality process. You make the process in place that will ensure that all the objectives, all the deliverables that you are getting is of the same quality that you have agreed, and you have agreed with the supplier, with the client. Secondly, the procurement processes. You have to make sure that your procurement process is getting better. If you remember from the initial lecture, then when you are in operation, what you are looking at getting the operations better. You are looking at the processes efficiencies to get a process to be more efficient than it was yesterday. Plan, do, check and act. You want to improve your processes. You want to make sure that you get better results with every new procurement. Agreements can be amended at any time prior to contract closure by mutual consent in accordance with the change control terms agreed within an agreement. So this is about the control procurement, which will start the second you will actually sign a contract, and they will execute, and then you will control. So this is what the control procurement is. Let's meet you in the next section. Thank you very much.